When we talk about the order entry and sales process, we can start looking at the background to automate in this process. When we look at processes, they're supported with systems. There are two classifications to these systems: enterprise or business systems and information systems. If you take enterprise or business systems, those systems are supported by operating or business processes. They are primarily led by staff or people. Then there are information systems. There are two types of processes: application processes and analytical processes. Application processes are software that create data. They support the business or enterprise processes. Analytical processes are software that mine and warehouse data. They generate insights into the enterprise and for decision making. Reasons for replacing people-led operating processes with technology-led operating or application processes, there are 5 reasons. First is having business processes. Enterprises have to incur higher labor costs. That means higher cost of production. Automating application processes makes more efficient, and it saves over 90% on order processing costs. Second is manual errors and rework can lead to lower customer satisfaction. These manual errors and rework could be decreased by automating processes. Third is quicker time in reaching the product or service to customer. That would lead to more customer satisfaction. The automated order entry sales system is useful because customers can place their orders quickly and easily. Fourth, it generates data about the process and activities in processes. And these data are valuable for later for analysis and decision making. Fifth, can assist in analyzing data to make more customized and accurate decisions on customers' behalf. The application or electronic order entry sales system, they bring 3 advantages. First is the repetitive work could be handed over to the software, and through order entry sales processes, they could be taken care of. There are 3 aspects to this: the sales order department of the sales order processing, credit department, the credit check processing, with shipping department, which includes capturing, recording, and communicating sales data. Second is decision making is made easier with order entry sales process, where sales and marketing managers could obtain relevant data. Third is data are generated and captured for the benefit of the enterprise. There are 2 perspectives to information flow in an enterprise. Is a horizontal perspective is the first, is the information that is available within the enterprise and shared across the enterprise functional areas. Vertical flow increases the information processing ability within the enterprise. It flows often within the functional area. When we look at the order entry sales processes, we must look at how data is captured. There are 5 ways to capture data. First is manual entry. Second is electronic data interchange. So variety of methods exist for capturing data electronically. The general preference is systems-to-system data exchange using technologies such as electronic data interchange. Third is barcoding. This is the most common technology that is currently used. Barcode readers are devices that use light reflection to read the differences in barcode patterns to identify a label item, a product, or a service. OCR, optical character recognition, it's been used in utility and credit card companies, and they frequently ask customers to handwrite the amount of the payment and remittance slip. And optical character recognition is then used to capture those data that is written in textual and other visual forms. They are input devices that capture printed images or documents and convert them into electronic digital signals. They are converted into binary representations that can be stored on computer media. In data capture, the add-on software and Web 2.0 tools play an important role. Web 2.0 tools have converted the web content from static to dynamic, and they are operated in-house or via cloud computing. Add-on software is also operated in-house or via cloud. The focus is to capture customer-specific data. The ultimate aim is to concentrate on the small component of that population and then focus on the delivery of the product or service to individual customer or consumer to give an individualized experience. Web 2.0 tools allow people to build, social, and collaborate on projects online. Examples of Web 2.0 tools are blogs. They are the web blogs. It's an online journal or informational website that displays information in reverse chronological order. That means the latest posts appearing first. It's a platform where a writer or even a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. Second is the wikis. The wikis are websites that allow users to add, delete, and edit content. Third is social networking. Examples are Facebook and Twitter. Fourth are virtual worlds. They are computer simulating and representing a virtual reality with a spatial physical feature such as online games. Here are some visual illustrations of Web 2.0 tools: Facebook, TED, Audacity, Twitter, YouTube, Wikispaces. All these are illustrations of Web 2.0 tools. Why they are important for enterprises is because they generate relevant data about the supplier behaviors, customer behaviors, and customer preferences, and supplier updates and preferences, and so forth. And this data could be captured by enterprises for the insights. Trust is important to consumers in the Web 2.0 world. One way to establish trust is to have system transparency. In Web 2.0 world, transparency includes tracking orders, following up on emails and phone calls and viewing an enterprise, a catalog, phone and website, and emails on the Web 2.0 tools. Order entry and sales data assist marketing managers. There are 4 ways. For example, these are illustrations. Where is the sales volume in terms of quantity and dollars are concentrated so that managers could decide how much time and effort that they should exert into important areas. Second, who are the specific major customers by sales and profitability, and who are the present and potential customers. And the third, what opportunities exist for after-sales services, for cross-sell, offer related products, and then upsell, offer higher priced products. Fourth, what types of advertising and promotions have the greatest influence on customers. When it comes to data, there are 2 ways the data analysis take place. We were talking about the processes in relation to information application processes, and then information analysis processes. Data warehousing is one of them. Data warehousing assists in analysis. There are applications focused on either operational applications or analytical applications, and these operational applications focus on providing information needed to monitor and control business processes. Data mining are analytical applications allowing the use of sophisticated statistical and other analytical software to help understand customers, processes, and markets, and analyze a range of data, internal data, and data collected from various sales events, external data such as industry data, and data collected through Web 2.0 tools. Here's a case example. How can data mining be used by an insurance underwriter? Companies now can find data on the internet to see if a customer or potential customer is high risk. For example, the speeding tickets can be correlated with sports injuries, and there's a high correlation. That means those with sports injuries are likely to incur more speeding tickets. Long commuters may associate with shorter lives. If so, the life insurance premium can get increased for long commuters. There are programs under development to search Facebook and Twitter where people's significant changes in their life may affect their insurance coverage. This data mining techniques, neural networks is one of them. There's comprehensive statistical packages and graphical presentation of software that can develop insights about relationships within the marketing information. Here's a case illustration. The retailers can use data mining to look for trends and determine what customers need. For instance, Target, the shopping retailers, assign pregnancy scores based on products that are typically purchased during early stages of pregnancy, and then mailers and coupons were sent based on these scores. The order entry sales process has 2 sides. The buy side is where the supply chain and supply chain management and electronic data interchange interface with the enterprise. And enterprise has the order entry and then the sales. On the sales side, the customer and this order entry and sales could interface business to business, business to customer. It could also interface with marketing, cataloging, e-payment, and order management. The buy-side systems on sales order process, they are predominantly use technology here are electronic data interchange. There are also add-on software applications that are used, and an example of that is supply chain management. On the sales side systems, the sales side application can handle both business to business transactions and business to customer transactions. Other examples of sales side applications include marketing management, catalog management, then e-payments through credit authorizations and currency transactions, and order management through administering the orders information.